Claire purchased some peanuts that cost $5 per pound and almonds that cost $6 per pound. She spent $90. If we let X stand for the number of pounds of peanuts and Y be the number of pounds of almonds, then we can write an equation for the situation. 5X plus 6Y equals 90. We can also graph the situation. Each point on the line shows a pair of X and Y values that is a solution to the equation. Notice that the point 6, 10 is on the line. This means that if Claire buys 6 pounds of peanuts and 10 pounds of almonds, she spent $90. You can check to see that 6, 10 is a solution. Substitute 6 for X and 10 for Y into the equation. 5 times 6 equals 30, and 6 times 10 equals 60. 30 plus 60 equals 90, so the equation is true. The point 12, 5 is also on the line, so it is a solution to the equation. This means that if Claire buys 12 pounds of peanuts and 5 pounds of almonds, she spends $90.